There's one for you, Wes. Here, there's one for you. Okay. Ready, Tess?
Hello. Happy first birthday to you.
Okay, let's get you some more. Let's get you some more, Billy.
Instead of what was that again? What was that again? What? Little.
Ow, there's in there.
Instead of cake, Tessie, you have goat cheese.
Ready? Ready?
Goat cheese.
Oh, we forgot the little. Hey, Tess. Little.
Babble babble. Tess, babble babble. Yeah, you're eating your weight in goat cheese.
Something to be said for that. Say bye, Tess. Wave. Wave to me. Hi.
Bye. Happy birthday, Tess.
Hi. Yeah.
Happy first birthday. Look at you waving. Here you go. Hey.